So, here's a summary of the 6 tips in the Profit Playbook. Knowledge is power in the world of soccer betting. Stay up to date with the latest news, team injuries, transfers, and player form. This information will give you the edge over the bookmakers and increase your chances of making accurate predictions. Look beyond the surface-level stats and dig deeper into team strategies, playing styles, and historical head-to-head matchups. Understanding these nuances will allow you to identify value bets that others may overlook. It's crucial to have a disciplined approach to betting. Set a budget and stick to it. Don't chase losses and avoid placing emotional bets. Betting should be treated as a long-term investment, not a get-rich-quick scheme. Not all bookmakers offer the same odds for a particular match. Take advantage of this by comparing odds across different platforms. Getting slightly better odds can make a significant difference in your overall profits. A betting exchange allows you to bet against other punters instead of the bookmaker. This opens up new opportunities and potentially better odds. It's a great way to maximize your potential winnings. Keep track of your bets, including the amount staked, odds, and outcomes. This will help you identify patterns and analyze your betting strategy. It's a fundamental tool for continuous improvement. Thank you for watching The Profit Playbook, Master the Art of Soccer Betting, in 2024. We hope these tips will bring you success and profits in the exciting world of soccer betting. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and strategies. Now go out there and start winning big.